Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful marble trinket box. So Let's Resin were really kind and sent me a whole bunch of goodies to play with. Here you can see that I got some gold, silver and bronze leaf, some beautiful dried flowers that I'll definitely be using in a separate craft. And they sent me this really cool box mold that comes with a sliding lid mechanism, and it also comes with these wooden slats that you use to create a frame to go around your mold. This way, when you're pouring in your resin, it doesn't make the sides of the mold bow out, because that can definitely happen when you're making boxes. It's really handy, and I wish that I had frames like this for previous boxes that I'd made. You can even make this into a multi-layer box as well, just by doing more of the bottom compartment. They also sent me some mixing cups and this mixing jug, which is absolutely massive. It can hold 600 mils of resin, which is just perfection. We also got some UV resin with a tiny cup and a little stirrer, and their epoxy resin starter kit, which consists of yet more cups and some gloves and some stirring sticks. Also a couple of protective sheets, and you get a scraper slash spreader and some tiny little spoons, and of course the epoxy resin. Now, to color my resin, they sent me some mica powder, and this is a sort of like metallic rainbow set. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is actually my very first time trying to do marble with resin, like on purpose. So I'm using the seashell, oh my goodness, seashell, why can't I say seashell? This is me using the seashell pigment and the white seascape pigment that I already had to make the white a bit more opaque. I used that, the black and the pink gold. And then I added in some gold leaf. And yes, I know that's a lot of gold leaf, but you know what? I'm not even mad at it. I am not even mad. I think this looks really beautiful, particularly when it's cured. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? That pink gold color. Oh, I cannot get enough of it. As you can see, though, the bottom of it does need a bit of filing. So I did get out my emery board and just very gently filed off some of the jagged bits that were on the bottom, just to make it a little bit smoother. Next, I'm taking this gem mold that I've had for quite some time, and I'm using a little bit of clear UV resin and just adding in some gold leaf around the edges. And then bit by bit, I'm adding in some of the leftovers of the white, pink and black resin, just to create another sort of marbled effect. And this is going to be the handle on the top of the box. I really love the way that little marble gem came out. I think that it ties it all together really nicely. So I glued that on and then thought, you know what, this could do with a bit more bling, because who doesn't love bling? So I added in these gorgeous crystals all the way around the edge. Are you ready for the reveal? I don't know if you are. Oh, child, look at this. Honestly, like I couldn't get over it. I could not get over it. In the sunlight, look at the bling. Can we just? Oh my goodness. If you would like to see me make more beautiful boxes like this, then don't forget to just pop a like down there and drop me a comment. If you enjoyed this video, then please share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.